Hey crafters, Gareth here from Created Home with G. Welcome to today's video. In today's video I'm going to be creating the card for the monthly challenge that I do with Donna over at Create and More with Donna Jackson. Now each month we challenge each other with a trio of colours, and last month it was orange, yellow and brown from the lovely Donna. Now I have to say I did struggle a bit. I've got a orange and yellow insert for my 6x4 card. Now you can do whatever card base you want to obviously do the measurements based on the colour that you want. I'm going to do a kind of sunset, sunrise silhouette type of card. There's my card base. I've got my piece here which I'm going to do the sun on, and I'm going to use the Distress Ink Squeeze Lemonade, and I'm going to use my Ranger Distress brush, and I'm going to go using this circle as a stencil. Now this circle is a 2-inch circle, and then I have the Wild Honey. And that gives me a lovely sun effect. Okay, now I've created a few different ones, and I'm probably going to use my Misty. I have these trees which I'm thinking about putting on there, and maybe this witch. So let's bring over the Misty. I want the witch to kind of be not yet that way, probably about there I reckon. And I'm going to use the Acorn Brown. So in essence these are kind of silhouette cards. And this is from an old Tim Holtz set that I have in my stash. I can't recall the name, I'm afraid. Okay, that looks good to me. Let's pop that out. And I think I'm going to put a few of the trees on in the brown. In this kind of, I just want the kind of tips of the trees, so it looks like she's actually flying over the trees. Okay, and I'm going to use my Nuvo Sparkle pens, and this is Harvest Moon. I'm going to use that on the jack-o'-lantern here. And the ribbon across her hat. And this one is Sand Dune. We'll use that on her face. So it's kind of like a greeny colour. Okay, let's stick our two inserts together. And the funny thing is, Donna gave me these colours last month in the beginning of July, and then weeks later the design team from Memo Made It was giving a challenge to use the colours pink, orange and brown, so I'm going to be doing a lot of thinking this August. these are the only videos plus vlogs that you'll see during this month, because I take the month off in August from, obviously because I'm off from work, so I take it off so I can crack on with my videos for the upcoming autumn and winter season. So I've been busy creating videos for those seasons for you. Plus we're doing the garden, and the store is busy with the orders. And there we are. I'll just bring over the other ones that I created just to show you. So there's one just using I'll show you which. That was a deep red stamp set, and then I did one here using this stamp set here, and this is just a non-branded stamp set that I got on eBay. So there we go. Orange, yellow and brown. Whew, I got there. Thank you for challenging me with this, Donna. And for September, the colours I want you to use are orange, black and purple. So very kind of Halloween-y. Thank you very much for joining me today, crafters, and you'll see me again very soon. Take care now. Bye bye.